In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix groups. Whether you're building a community, fostering collaboration, or simply bringing people with similar interests together, Wix groups is a fantastic tool to enhance your website's interactivity and engagement. Now, let's dive in and explore how to get started with Wix groups. To begin, you need to make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Whether you're using the Wix editor, Wix Studio Editor, or navigating via the dashboard, the first step is to go to either Add Apps or the App Market. The App Market is your portal to a variety of added functionalities, and in this case, you're looking for the Wix Groups app. Use the search bar to type in Wix Groups, and when you find it, go ahead and install or add it to your site. This will integrate the Groups feature into your Wix website, so you're all set to start building your community. Once you have Wix Groups installed, head over to your Wix dashboard. On the left side panel, you should see a section labeled Groups. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with an option to Create Group. This is where the magic begins. You'll have the opportunity to choose a template that matches your vision, or, if you're feeling creative, you can start from scratch. Both options offer flexibility, so feel free to choose the one that best suits your needs. Now, it's time to set up your group's details. Begin by giving your group a name. The name is crucial, as it will be the first impression of your group and should reflect its purpose or theme. Next, you'll want to craft a compelling description. This is your chance to communicate what the group is about, who it's for, and why people should join. Make it inviting and informative. Up next is the cover image. Think of this as the face of your group. Choose an image that represents the essence of your group. It could be something symbolic, an element of design that captures your theme, or simply an image that's visually appealing. Remember, visuals play a huge role in drawing people in, so take your time selecting the right cover image. Finally, decide on the privacy settings for your group. This is an important aspect as it determines who can see and join your group. You have the option to make your group public, where anyone can see and join, private, which requires an invitation to join, or hidden, where it's invisible to those not already in the group. Consider the purpose of your group when making this decision. Is it a specialized group that should have restricted access, or is it a community that welcomes everyone? And there you have it. You've now learned how to set up and initiate your very own Wix group. Whether you're looking to connect, create, or cultivate community spirit, Wix Groups offers a powerful platform to facilitate interaction and engagement on your website. Thanks for tuning in, and happy group building.